lightning, then we're going to count to see how close or far it is away.
Okay. It's gonna take a minute.
It might. That's okay. I don't have anywhere to be, do you?
Maybe it's gonna be down next. Or that. Or that. Or that. Or that.
Okay, baby. Ooh, they're 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6. Ooh, it's 6 miles away.
I like lightning.
Good.
Can we start by 1?
We will when it strikes lightning again.
Come on. You coming? Maybe the fans are scared of thunder. Hi. That's so cute.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4. Ooh, that's only 4 miles away. It's getting closer.
We were supposed to start by 1.
We did start by 1.
No, 1 at the bottom.
1 at the bottom.
And then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and 5, and then 6, and 7, and then 11.
Are you hiding? Little flies trying to get out of the rain.
Maybe those are baby flies.
They're called gnats.
Gnats? What's gnats?
The little flies. They never get bigger. That's as big as they get.
Look at that, Tommy. Look at Joe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try to get off. Nope. To you. You come in.
I think it's to the rain. The lightning's probably on the other side of the house. Ooh, look at those big drops.
Wow. Stop.
Well, look at the tree stump. And it's getting wet. Pretty soon it'll be all over the window.
Look at them. Let's count by the rain.
You can count by the rain. Why don't you count for us?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 17, 18.
Almost.